What's up everyone? Today I'm testing out the Ecovacs Deebot T90 Pro OMNI robot vacuum. My wife and I have been talking about getting one of these for a while now because we're super busy with work and family, but we don't really want to spend money on a cleaning service. We have 2 cats that make a huge mess, both with their shedding and their litter box, so we're constantly vacuuming. Over the next several minutes, I plan to put the Deebot T90 Pro OMNI through the paces, testing out the setup and mapping, its true edge 3.0 accuracy, adaptability to different surfaces, the Osmo Roller 3.0 mopping feature, and of course the Blast Airflow and Zero Tangle 4.0 vacuum. I should mention that the cats will make several appearances in this video, so hopefully they aren't too much of a distraction, but let's get into it. Setting up the Deebot was quick and straightforward. It comes with an easy to follow instruction card, and all you really need to do is to remove some protective packing material and then download the Ecovacs app. After you connect the Deebot to your Wi-Fi, the app serves as the central control panel where you can customize dozens of settings right from your phone. Ecovacs has even developed an AI agent named Yico to help you navigate the app and enable some of the smart features. The last step is to fill the water canister and load the cleaning solution, and you're ready to start mapping. I'm not going to lie, the mapping process really blew me away, not only with how easy it was, but also how crazy accurate it was. The Deebot went room to room, and its cameras and sensors instantly processed the surroundings and drew up a blueprint on my phone in real time. It sensed chairs and tables, hallways, steps, and furniture with ease, and when it was done, all 4 rooms on our first floor were accurately represented in the app. From here, I can customize exactly how and when I want the Deebot to clean. For the first time using it, I really just wanted to focus on the Blast high airflow suction system and Zero Tangle vacuum, so I turned the mop feature off and set the Deebot loose. I wanted to see how it traversed across hardwood to carpet and back again, and also wanted to see how it did under the furniture and up against the walls. It's only 4 inches tall, so it has no problem rolling itself under our furniture and getting to those places where our vacuum can, and the sweeper does an amazing job of pulling debris out from the corners and crevices and into the vacuum's path. It also helps in situations like this when the Deebot can't completely fit under the chair, but it goes as far as it can, and then the sweeper gets to at least the middle, so the majority of the area under the chair still gets cleaned. The Deebot has an optimized fan, air duct, and brush structures, so it has great all-around noise reduction, and I have no problem running it without disrupting our entire house. I love how it knows when it's on carpet and kicks on that Blast high airflow suction system to get deep into the carpet fibers. In fact, the Deebot has a suction power of 30,000 pascals, which is a ton of power considering most high-end vacuums have between 15 and 20,000. I also set up a few obstacles to see how the Deebot navigated them, and sure enough, it avoided them seamlessly, so it's nice to know that I don't have to worry about picking up before running a cleaning cycle. The Zero Tangle technology keeps the brushes free of any hair even after several days of use, and when the Deebot gets full, it just returns itself to the OMNI station and empties itself into the dust bag, and this process only takes a couple of minutes. Now that I was comfortable with how the vacuum worked, I was ready to deploy the Osmo Roller 3.0, and after seeing how sophisticated it was, I laughed at myself for not just diving right in with this. The way it detects when it's nearing carpet and lifts itself up and out of the way was so impressive, and I like how it's a roller and not a pad, so it's constantly cleaning itself versus just smearing dirt and grime or whatever else it picks up along the way. I also like how the Osmo Roller combines with the True Edge technology, so it extends half of an inch beyond the body edge and gets right up against the baseboards. It then adjusts itself accordingly to get around corners and edges with ease. In testing out the Osmo Roller, I also had to give it the real-life spilled milk test, and sure enough, it cleaned it up in one simple pass with streak-free results. I am absolutely thrilled with not having to worry about mopping these floors anymore. This is also a good time to call out the True Pass adaptive 4-wheel drive that allows the Deebot to pass thresholds up to an inch high. We have a ton of different carpet types in our home, and it transitioned between all of these surfaces with ease. I've been using the Deebot every day for a week, and it's been sucking up both cat and human hair since we're all a bunch of shedders. It's impressive that there aren't any hairs caught in the roller thanks to the Zero Tangle feature, which has a wide span dual bearing brush structure. This is also a good time to call out some features in the OMNI station, which allows truly hands-off cleaning. You can see how gross this water is, and I have a lot of comfort knowing that this isn't on our floors any longer and that the mop is cleaned after each use using 167-degree water and then air dried. The OMNI station also has adaptive charging, which means that it will optimize its charging time based on the task that you have it performing and how large of a space you have. It charges 10% in 3 minutes of mop washing time and also when it's emptying the dust canister, so it can quickly return to cleaning. Needless to say, I'm super happy with the Ecovacs Deebot T90 Pro OMNI robot vacuum, which offers a flagship level cleaning experience at a mid-range price point. It's going to save me a ton of time and keep my house looking good even though we have these two wildcats. I'll put a link to the Deebot T90 in the description below, and if you're watching this during Amazon Prime Day, you can be sure that there is going to be a mega sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all on the next one.